Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of working with white quartz, the stone of inner wisdom. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you've been watching my videos and you enjoy them, thank you so much for watching again. If you are new to my channel, my name is Shannon. I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and a published author. My book, Crystal Wisdom: Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change, is now available. If you're interested in checking that out, I'll put a link to that in the description box below or in the eye above. But I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And today, we're going to learn how the supportive benefits of white quartz can support you. This stone is also known as snow quartz or milky quartz. If you're looking to purchase white quartz, then you can look for all 3 of those names to find the same stone. They're all the same thing. This is also a really common stone to find out in the wild. You'll find it in gravel driveways, in the dirt as you're in the park. It's a really common stone to find. You may want to keep your eye out as you're walking outside for pieces of white quartz. And I really want to emphasize the power of this gemstone. Whether you find one outside or if you purchase it, it is an incredibly effective stone for tapping into your inner wisdom. So the first benefit of working with white quartz is that it amplifies energy. It works in just the same way as clear quartz does to amplify all types of energies. However, white quartz is a gentler stone. It's a slower effect. The amplification benefits of clear quartz are very strong and very noticeable. If that feels a little disruptive or overwhelming for you, then white quartz is a wonderful alternative to it. The types of energies that it amplifies could be any type of energy work that you do: Reiki healing, energy healing, chakra balancing, any practice in which you connect with and work with the flow of energy. White quartz will help you connect with that and work with it in a stronger manner. This gemstone also helps to boost the energy of other crystals. So if you combine white quartz with a different type of stone, the white quartz will enhance and boost the supportive benefits of that other gemstone. White quartz also enhances and boosts the energy of our intentions. So it's excellent to use for manifesting something in your life, creating a vision, sending an intention out to the universe. White quartz will help to magnify that and make it that much more powerful. The second benefit of working with white quartz is that it helps to deepen meditation. If you found it difficult to settle into meditation, to keep focus, to sit for a certain amount of time, to clear your mind, all of those challenges you could encounter during meditation, white quartz helps you to settle your mind, to calm your mind and body, to be able to look within and to settle into meditation. I recommend sitting with white quartz for short meditations, and as you get more comfortable sitting for, say, 5 minutes, then you can extend it to longer and longer periods. But white quartz really helps you relax into the meditation experience, to stop being maybe so critical about if you're doing it right or if it's working, and to enable you to just relax into the experience and look within. The third benefit of working with white quartz is that it helps you tap into your inner wisdom. This benefit enhances the previous one. Once you're able to settle into meditation, to start looking within, then you can begin to connect with and recognize messages from your inner wisdom. This is an excellent tool to help you if you're starting to strengthen your sense of intuition. If you're finding it difficult to distinguish between your thinking thoughts and your inner wisdom messages, white quartz will help you start to feel the differences between what it feels like to be thinking, figuring it out, trying to work through it from a logical mind point of view, gently allowing your inner wisdom to inform you from a deeper and quieter place. So if you've been struggling and doubting, like, is this a thought or is this my own inner wisdom? White quartz will help you feel more confident distinguishing between the two. This stone, it dissolves any blocks or barriers we have that are preventing our inner wisdom from rising up for us. Because often we could try too hard or be listening too closely, trying to make it work, when really we just need to relax, release, and dissolve any barriers, let it arise naturally for us, and then white quartz will help you recognize when you hear those messages. Then the fourth benefit of working with white quartz is that it helps you learn life lessons. This stone has already helped you become more self-reflective in your practice, to begin meditating, tapping into your inner wisdom, and finding your own inner guidance. So it also helps you reflect on past situations, past events, and relationships, and discovering the wisdom and lessons you can learn from those events. It helps you incorporate new ways of being into your life, to change trajectory in your life, and improve how you are functioning based on what you've already learned and experienced in the past. White quartz helps you from repeating old mistakes, for recognizing when you might be falling into an old behavior pattern and short-circuiting that so you can make more mindful, informed choices about how to move forward in life. White quartz is a phenomenal stone for really tapping into our inner world, our inner guide, and finding the inherent wisdom and truth that lies within. Thank you so much for joining me today to talk about white quartz and how it can help you in your everyday life. If you found this useful and you think that white quartz is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then in 2 days, I'll be posting a guided meditation with white quartz. Now, you don't need a piece of the gemstone to benefit from the guided meditation, but if any of the points in this video or the questions that I ask in the meditation, they call to you, they feel really familiar, or they trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some white quartz and work with it some more. Thank you so much for joining me today to talk about the wonderful qualities of white quartz. If you've been watching the channel for a while and you enjoy learning about a wide variety of gemstones and how they can help you improve your life, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.